Hey everyone, we're Team 21 in the Patient Empowerment track. We are at Kesso AI. We come from a diverse background of product strategy, clinical, and engineering backgrounds. We are trying to solve a problem with care coordination. Take my grandmother, for example. She was actually readmitted because she missed a PCP visit, did not get her medications reconciled, and she took a medication that caused an adverse drug reaction. And 40 to 50% of medical information is not recalled appropriately by patients or their caregivers. Failures in care coordination cost our healthcare system $78 billion annually. And this is where Akeso AI comes in. Our vision is to build one centralized hub that empowers patients with personalized education, care coordination, and communication. Using Ketso AI, my grandmother can quickly sign up for an account and pull in all of her clinical data from an existing portal integration or even from a health information exchange. So she can search the exchange and we can pull in her information using the Metroport API, which will pull in her personal information as well as her clinical documents. We've extracted the text and gotten the most important care insights from her documentation, which she sees all in one singular view. She can access the Akeso Care Assistant and have a conversation with the care assistant to ask about why she was in the hospital, what she needs to do next. As she's conversing, we can also bring up useful educational materials for my grandmother as well. By pulling in Sanctuary Health's API, we can pull up the most relevant education videos, articles, or posts that she might want to view. We can also help her prepare for her next level of care as well. For example, she has a PCP visit. We can help her prepare by having her take pictures of her medications. We can also help her brainstorm important questions that she might want to ask Dr. Smith, and also ultimately share the history of this conversation or these questions with Dr. Smith directly. Here's our product roadmap. We're going to start off with our minimum viable product and build in the remaining pieces of the patient's care navigation and care coordination pathway, providing AI generated care plans, access to benefit information, leading up to even price transparency insights that they can pull in and view in one central hub. Our target market will be health insurance companies and risk bearing organizations, hospitals and accountable care organizations, and the health insurance market will reach $910 billion by 2028. We can save $304,000 for insurance companies. Our pathway to commercialization starts with the discovery, validating our MVP, and then piloting with select community hospitals. We want to achieve repeatable outcomes, then target ACOs, demonstrate continued, our North Star metrics, such as cost savings, admission reduction, and patient satisfaction, and ultimately scale to payers and healthcare vendors, partnerships for expanded use cases as well. So please join us to empower patients and their families on their care journey.